Hello friends, welcome to our channel on Success with Haram Online Education. Today it is the 5th June and we are celebrating World Environment Day. So today we are going to talk about World Environment Day. Since 1974, we have been celebrating World Environment Day every year on 5 June. The main purpose of celebrating World Environment Day is to creating awareness among the masses on emerging environmental issues. As we know that evolution of the earth started around 4.6 billion years ago. During evolution, the mother earth has passed from many phases. After that, it became a habitable planet which gives us water for drink, food for eat, and energy and much more things which are required for life. But industrial revolution which started in 18th century has made great dent on mother earth. The fossil fuel based economy as well as a changing lifestyle leads to increase in earth temperature which we termed as global warming. Rising temperature brings many catastrophic events such as wildfire, change in rainfall pattern, drought, melting of glacier and much more. Due to these catastrophic events, it is the poor who suffer more. Let me explain you through an example how poor suffer more. For example, melting glacier increase sea level, due to which low-lying coastal areas now has been submerging underwater. This would force the people who live on these coastal area to move on hinterland. To survive, now these climate refugees have to leave their houses, source of livelihood, and have to spend very precarious life on unknown places. On the other hand, the local people of these areas looked at these climate refugees as an unwelcome outsider. And these peoples are not treated well by these local residents. So we can say that it is the poor who suffer more. Now question is, what can we do as an individual to combat the climate change and to redress the grievances of these people? First and foremost, we have to take our responsibility toward the Mother Earth and try to take some little step, such as first is conserving water. Try to save every drop of water, as we know that water is very essential for life. Second, which we can do, sapling of tree. If you find a abundant land, transplant a tree on that land. Third, say no to single-use plastic, as these plastics deteriorate the soil productivity, choke stomach of marine organism if not managed properly. So we try to use alternative of the plastics. Fourth, adopting green energy such as solar or wind energy. Last but not least, promoting green economy which is based on reduce, refuse or reuse. So I hope that you would take your responsibility and try to make Mother Earth a habitable planet. So thanks for watching this video.